following message is transmitted at the request of Lucas County Emergency Management. An emergency is currently ongoing in the area of
8730 Waterville-Swanton Road.
In Waterville, residents and emergency management officials have reported that a creature known as the Enegax is rising out of the sewer. This was caused by the guy who on Sonic Jam throwing copies of Chibi Robo Ziplash into a toilet and saying, "This game blows!" All residents within Waterville are requested to barricade all bathrooms, kitchens, or other rooms with access to the sewer systems in case the Enegax attempts to escape through your toilet. Remain tuned to this station for further information once it becomes available.